Hi, so let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually took care of yourself? As students, we are always busy about deadlines, exams, group works, and, and it never really stops. And because of that, we sometimes forget that our health matters too. That's why the Wellness and Recreation Program, or WRP, is actually more important than we think. At first, I thought WRP was just another requirement, like something we just needed to pass. But I realized it's more than that. It's a chance for us to take a break and focus on ourselves. WRP gives us different activities like dancing, sports, or simple exercises. And honestly, you don't need to be good at any of those. You just need to show up and try. For me, it really helps reduce stress. Even just moving around for a while makes me feel more relaxed and energized. It's like a reset from all the academic pressure that we are going through. And it's not just about physical health. WRP also helps with our mental and emotional well-being. When you feel better, you think better, and you perform better in school too. Another thing I like about it is that you get to meet new people. You get to connect with classmates outside of the usual classroom settings, which makes everything feel less stressful and more enjoyable. So, living a healthy lifestyle doesn't mean you have to be perfect. It just means making small choices, like staying active, managing stress, and giving yourself time to breathe. And WRP is a great place to start. So next time you have WRP, don't think of it as it is a burden. Think of it as time for yourself, because at the end, health is important, and a healthy you is a better you.